Crimes are continuing. There are still indiscriminate bombings of civilians, causing casualties and forced displacement during the last 6 months. Continued imposition of conditions of life to exterminate displaced persons in the camps, including hindering of humanitarian assistance and expelling of the assistance providers, with the obvious consequence of reducing access to food, water, and services. There are continuing rapes and sexual violence, constituting mental and bodily harm, and it continues the use of child soldiers. This process of marginalization of indicted criminals, if maintained steadfastly, is a way towards the ultimate implementation of the arrest warrant issued by the court will be done. Respect for the court decisions to issue an arrest warrant against President al-Bashir sends a clear message. President al-Bashir will face justice. Any leader committing these type of crimes will face justice. Power does not provide immunity. There was no immunity for President Milosevic. There was no immunity for Prime Minister Kambanda. There was no immunity for President Taylor. Over the last 6 months, President al-Bashir has continued using the Sudanese state apparatus to conduct a diplomatic and political and communication campaign against the court. He has endeavored to shift the attention of the international community to other pressing issues. For instance, the conflict with the South. President Bashir will exacerbate such conflict if it can shift your attention from the crimes committed in Darfur and his responsibility.
From our side, we will not be bothered by this prosecutor. The case of the ICC for us is a closed dossier. We will continue to augment and reinforce the peace efforts in the Sudan. We will fully support the Doha process. We will fully support all genuine efforts aimed at finding a solution to the problem in Darfur. To find a lasting settlement, because as I said, war is over in Darfur.
Okay. I believe probably beginning of next year will be a decision on the genocide charges. And yes, I believe Abu Garda is doing what I think a leader had to do, face responsibilities. And I think he did it in the past, and I hope he will do it in the future.